We're inside the Gallery Lafayette, but it looks like it's a boulangerie or patisserie. Kasi mga pagkain nila is and I'm looking for like a déjeuner. Asan kaya yun? Based sa map, andito siya eh. Like a déjeuner. Baka doon. Like a déjeuner. Oh, macaron. Okay. 3:30 ang macaron. Ang mahal ng macaron. Gusto na ang like déjeuner. Wala ata. Sakat na ng aking baka. Ah, eto. Sorry? I think there's a line. So we have to get in line. How much? 650. Napakamahal, sobrang mahal. 400, isang piraso 400. Anyways, sige lang. 5 euro lang, pero may kunsa pa dito, so baka kaya naman sa. Wait lang, anong magandang flavor? Meron, brasile, vanilla, nagkakapareho lang sila ng price here. Pili ko. Chocolate mix here. Pwede lang yung sweet yung pistache, fig, at sa seed pang food. Vanilla, pistache. Wait. Like one cake. Oh my god, fruit lang. Pistache, pepperoni, chocolate, seed, caramel, vanilla, caramel salad. Parang pareho lang ito. Mabersule is butter, salty butter. Vanilla, pistache. Ito. Okay, I'll try the salad. Caramel salad. Wait. What? Sorry, I'm not good in French. What is the best seller?
Salt caramel. Vanilla is very good too.
Okay.
Salt caramel. For me,
Caramel,
that's the best. For me.
Caramel au beurre salé. Is that how you say it? Okay, one, please. So, can you get the second one?
Second?
Yeah, is that okay? Okay. Excellent. Hi. Huh? Yeah, where is there any way where I can eat
No,
here?
here it's only takeaway.
Huh?
Only takeaway here.
No seat?
No, so we don't have.
Okay.
I tell you.
Can we try to just take it out? I'll just take out.
Give you napkins.
Yeah, because there's no place. I'll just bring it out and find somewhere. Do you know any place here? No, you'll be putting it there, right? Because I'm going to.
In the planes.
Okay.
Like. Yeah, we have opera. Opera is a place.
Opera. Oh yeah, I can sit there, right, in front of the opera. Okay. Merci. Ang liit na, pero ang mahal ng 400 pesos. Anyways, sige lang. Ngayon naman, ay yun yung naintindihan sinasabi ko sa opera. Merci. Okay. Oh, okay. Merci. So, ito siya. Pupunta ko sa opera, doon ko siya kakainin. What na yung camera ko na nakikita na. Wala silang place to eat here. Ayan. Nirecommend din kasi ito ni nakita ko yung vlog ba yun? Basta may video si Erwan sa YouTube. Si Erwan mahilig magluto yun. Sabi niya masarap daw to. Tapos may nakita din ako yung ibang vlogger na nagba-vlog about French food or France or Paris. Ito din yung trinay nila kasi masarap nga daw. Like for 400 pesos. Kasi ano siya 650. Right? Tapos, ang liit niya. Ang liit niya. So, kailangan ko siyang namnamin mamaya. Let's try it later.